All right, so if you've got a Panasonic built-in microwave and this is happening, I'm going to show you how to fix that because this is the third time this has happened to me. You need a screwdriver, a Phillips, and you need this replacement part. It is called the door opening lever, and I will put the part number in there. So the nice thing is Panasonic prints the part number right on here, which made it super easy for me to find the replacement part. So in the past I've glued it. Now I bought the replacement part, and the replacement part is only like $5, so it's pretty inexpensive and it takes about 15 minutes to do. The very first thing you're going to need to do is go to the top of your microwave. You're going to find 3 screws, one there, one there, and one there. They're all Phillips screws. I'm going to take them out. Alright, so once you get these 3 screws out, you're going to see this is loose, but it's still in there. There's a clip in the bottom here and in the bottom here. You can give it a lift and a tug, it'll come out. But if you've got a long screwdriver, you can go in there, give it a little bit of a lift with the screwdriver, and then it should come out a lot easier. So there's the clip. You can see what it is. I reached in with the screwdriver and just tried kind of doing that. That's all I did, and that's all you need to do to give you enough leverage to get that out. We're gonna take that screw out. Now once we have that out, this piece is gonna lift up like this. I'm just lifting it straight up, and that's gonna come out. It's gonna have a... Alright. So you're gonna see that all of the electronics for the display and the control panel are plugged in here. You can actually do this without unplugging any of these. So you'll see down here by my thumb, that is where the lever is right there. And it's just gonna be that the lever has broken. So right here is, let's see if I can use that. This is the lever that opens it. So you'll see that orange switch, that's for the interior light in the microwave. And when you push that down, it pushes this up, which pushes up the side of this lever here, which then opens up against this thing, pushes this up, and ultimately opens the door. So what happens is that one of these here, see, you can see right here, that broke off. So I've glued it a couple times, so now I'm going to replace it with this one here. So you can see the difference there. Okay, so you can see on this side here, there's an extra tab here, and that's going to be for the piece here that's got the little nub out on both sides. So that's so you don't put it in backwards. Slide it in that way, and then pop it in. And now it's in there. So you're going to put it back in. You just want to make sure that if you look right here, this piece here, this is up, not down. If it's down, it's not going to when you want it up. See, because what happens is as you open it, it pushes up. And it's going to go underneath like this. So if you look in the top corner there, it goes under like this. Underneath. Okay, and so what we're going to do is underneath, and then you're going to, this is so hard to do with just one hand. Okay. There, in. And now what you can do, before you close it, you're going to test this like this. So you're going to be able to look here. You can see there it is coming up. Once you've got that tested, I'm going to screw this shut. So here we got it. The screws back in. Nicely fastened, not too tight. Okay, now we can put this top cover back on. While you have this open, good time to take out this filter and clean it. So it just pops out, and then just rinse it out in warm soapy water and let it dry. So this piece now just snaps into place. It doesn't click or anything, but right away it snaps and you can see it's already stuck. So just make sure it lines up. Make sure that your screw holes are lined up. And then just fasten your screws. Okay. Now we're going to close the microwave and give it a test. There you go. So we've now fixed this microwave in under 10 minutes, and the part was $6 and saved yourself a service repair that would have cost you half of the cost of a new microwave. Hope this helped. If it did, give it a like so other people can find the video, and happy microwaving.